Welcome to Aotearoa, land of the long white cloud, or New Zealand. In this lesson, we're going to learn the Māori place names of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Whai mai, follow me. Did you know that according to our ancestor Maui, he fished up a big fish and therefore named the North Island Te Ika Maui, the fish of Maui. This is why when you look at a map, the shape is just like a fish. The head of the fish is Wellington and the tail is the north. So when you are speaking in Māori, you go up to the head of the fish to Wellington and down to the tail of the fish to Whangarei, Kaitaia, etc. So from the tail of the fish to the head, we have the traditional names for these places. Whangarei, Kororareka. Tāmaki Makaurau is Auckland. Kirikiriroa is Hamilton. Tauranga, Rotorua. Ngamotu is New Plymouth. Taupō Nuiatia is the longer name for Taupō. Ahuriri is Napier. Here Taunga is Hastings. Te Papaioia is Palmerston North. Pōneke or Whanganuiatara is Wellington. The South Island is called Te Waka a Maui or Maui's Canoe. Waitohi is Picton. Whakatū is Nelson. Mawhera is Greymouth. O Tautahi is Christchurch. O Te Poti is Dunedin. Waihopai is Invercargill. Just a tip, don't forget the anchor when you are out fishing, and neither did Maui. Te punga or the anchor is called rakiura, also known as Stewart Island. Tēnā, karawhiua.